If you're here, then you're considering or have already chosen a career in training or public speaking. You also want to know the importance of giving a great performance in your own presentations. So congratulations, you've accomplished your first and maybe the most important step in your career, which is knowing what you want. So welcome in step 2, where you will learn and apply the techniques necessary to achieve your goal. First, together we're gonna learn about different patterns and how to handle different learners. Next, I'm gonna train you on how to prepare yourself both mentally and physically so that you can start your lectures fresh and focused. Then, I'll show you how to ensure an outstanding beginning to keep your audience engaged throughout your lecture. Later, we're gonna dive into the lecture itself, discussing the material, the games, how to handle humor and questions, etc. Whatever needed to keep your students hooked up and make sure they get the most benefit easily will be covered in this course. And finally, you're gonna learn how to end your lectures and your courses strongly as well and keep yourself prepared for any upcoming successful performances. By that time, you'll have achieved the second step successfully and you'll be ready to go on to the third step confidently, which is training and affecting hundreds and thousands of lives out there. Good luck and see you throughout the course.